Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to test viral hot glue gun hacks to see whether they work or not. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. Wait, before starting our video, have you subscribed to my channel? Not yet? Then subscribe now. I know that you will. So now let's go. So for this hack, we need our hot glue gun. And you can see that my hot glue gun is not that much clean, and the black part is also not that much clean, so we'll try to clean it with our foil paper. So here I have the piece of foil paper. Now let's start rubbing it. I think I need big piece of foil paper. So here I have the big piece of foil paper. Now let's start rubbing with it. So you can see that this hack works like our nozzle is completely clean and the black part is also kinda clean but not that much perfect. But this hack is basically for the nozzle, so this hack works. For this hack we need our cutter, and you can see that it's not in a good condition, so I'm going to use it. So now let's just start breaking it. I think I need my mom's help, so I will be right back. After taking help of my mom, we are successfully get this part. So now let's just take our lighter and start burning it. Now grab your glue stick and push the blade inside it like this. Now our cutter looks something like this. Now let's just leave it here until it dries completely. So now our cutter looks something like this. It looks like a weapon, yeah? So now let's just see how it works. So you can see that this hack works 100% and I didn't expect this. So yeah, this hack works. You can also try this at home. So for this hack, I'm going to use this earring because this earring doesn't have any earring stopper. So now let's just start making its earring stopper. So for this hack, we have to take our glue stick and after that we have to cut in a small piece. So I'm going to use this cutter to see whether this cutter cuts the glue stick in parts. It's working, but it doesn't work that well. So yeah, we have to just take our normal cutter and cut it. So now our earring stopper is ready. Now let's just see how it works. So you can see that it works, but it's kinda too big. So now let's just take it out and cut it in a small piece. Perfect. Now let's see how it looks. So you can see that now it looks like real earring stopper. So yeah, it means that this hack works 100%. You can also try this at home. So for this hack we need our straw and our hot glue gun. So now let's just start applying our hot glue on it. Now we have to just blow air in it. So you can see that it doesn't work that well. So let's just test it one more time. So buddies, you can see that this hack doesn't work. So don't try this at home. For this hack, I already applied tape on our emoji. Now just take your parchment paper and apply hot glue on it. Now we have to just place our emoji on the top of hot glue. Now just apply one more layer of hot glue on the top of our emoji. Now take another piece of parchment paper and place it on the top of our emoji. Now just take your iron and start pressing it. So now our keychain looks something like this. Now let it be dry. So now it dry completely. Let's just remove the parchment paper. Now our keychain looks something like this. Now let's just cut the extra hot glue. Now just take any sharp object and make a hole like this. Now we have to do one more thing. Just take any keychain's upper part and just fix it like this. So buddies, you can see that our keychain looks so good. So it means that this hack works 100%. You can also try this at home. So some of you were just telling me in part 1 of testing viral hot glue gun hacks video कि I have to apply more hot glue on the top of our spoon so that it will be not that much jiggly or that much flexible. So now I am going to test this hack one more time. So yeah, just take your spoon and start applying hot glue on the top of it like this. So now our hot glue is completely dry. Now let's just start removing it from our spoon. So you can see that now also it is so flexible and so jiggly. I don't know why I apply so much hot glue on it. But anyways, you can see that this hack doesn't work. So don't try this at home. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.